Here are my top 5 features on 7008 Foxton Court. Number 1, the HOA takes care of the yard and snow removal, making it easy for homeowners that love to travel to just lock and leave. Number 2, it's next door and looks out over acres of park space with pickleball, basketball and a dog park all around the corner. Plus, you get access to recreation rights on Timnath Reservoir too. Number 3, the modern farmhouse finishes are stunning, especially the Shou Sugi Ban style flooring and immaculate kitchen. Number 4, it's a great roommate plan with the primary bedroom on the opposite side of the house to the guest bedroom. Number 5, the basement is made for entertaining with room to play pool, enjoy games and crafts, and there's a 3rd bedroom and bathroom down there too. Thanks for watching. For the full video, go to 7008foxton.info and reach out for a showing or with any questions. And if you enjoy these videos, please like, comment and subscribe.